Are you looking for the best keyless door locks? In this video we will look at some of the best keyless door locks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yale Lock. The Yale Lock is a cutting-edge smart lock system that offers a convenient and secure way to access your home without the need for traditional keys. With its advanced features and compatibility with various smart home platforms, the Yale Lock aims to provide a seamless and key-free experience for homeowners. The Yale Lock eliminates the need for physical keys. It offers an auto-unlock feature that detects your presence and automatically unlocks the door for you. This is particularly useful when your hands are full, providing a hands-free entry experience. The lock offers various ways to unlock your door. You can use the built-in keypad to enter a unique code, or you can control the lock using the Yale Access app on your smartphone or even your Apple Watch. This flexibility ensures that you always have a convenient method to access your home. By utilizing the Yale Lock, you can say goodbye to carrying around a bulky keychain. The lock's digital access methods remove the need for physical keys, enhancing convenience and security. Number 2. Ultralock Ubolt Smart Lock. The Ultralock Ubolt Smart Lock is a cutting-edge keyless entry system that offers enhanced security and convenience for homes, apartments, offices, hotels, and other spaces. With its 6-in-1 functionality, this smart lock provides multiple methods of access control to suit various preferences and scenarios. The lock can be controlled remotely using a smartphone app. This allows users to unlock the door, share access with others, and monitor a log of entries, all from their mobile device. The lock's Wi-Fi bridge is included, enabling seamless connectivity. Users can easily share electronic keys, eKeys, or entry codes remotely with family members, tenants, guests, or service personnel. Access can be granted for permanent use, specific dates, or predetermined time periods. The smart lock offers a variety of ways to gain entry, including an anti-peep keypad, smartphone app, auto-unlock feature, shake to open, a gesture-based method, e-key sharing, compatibility with Apple Watch, and traditional mechanical keys. The Ultralock Ubolt Smart Lock supports voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This feature allows users to control the lock using voice commands for added convenience. Number 3. Sifely Smart Lock. The Sifely Smart Lock presents an ideal solution catering to a range of users, including Airbnb short-term rental hosts, rental property managers, and self-housing residents. This innovative smart door lock offers a host of features designed to enhance convenience, security, and ease of access for both homeowners and renters. The Sifely Smart Lock is particularly well suited for individuals and businesses in the short-term rental market, such as Airbnb hosts, who frequently need to grant access to visitors. Additionally, rental property managers seeking efficient access control solutions and homeowners who value cutting-edge security technology can benefit from the Sifely Smart Lock's offerings. The Sifely Smart Lock stands out with its capability to generate passcodes remotely. This feature is immensely useful for hosts or property managers who can easily create and share unique passcodes with visitors, eliminating the need for physical keys and ensuring a seamless check-in process. Number 4. HARFO Fingerprint Door Lock. The HARFO Fingerprint Door Lock is an innovative and advanced keyless entry smart door lock designed to provide enhanced security and convenience for residential and commercial spaces. With its multiple ways of unlocking, user-friendly programming, cutting-edge fingerprint technology, and adaptable door handle, the HARFO Fingerprint Door Lock offers a comprehensive solution for modern access control. This smart door lock offers a variety of methods for unlocking, ensuring flexibility and convenience for users. It supports several access options, including fingerprint recognition, access codes, access fobs, traditional keys, and even a double verification option for added security. The HARFO Fingerprint Door Lock simplifies the process of adding or removing users with its intuitive features. The built-in OLED display and voice guide assist users through the setup process. The touchscreen interface allows users to easily manage user profiles directly from the device, enhancing user control and management. Number 5. Smart Deadbolt. The Manet responsive 3D fingerprint door lock is an advanced smart deadbolt system designed to provide enhanced security and convenient access control to your home or property. This smart deadbolt combines cutting-edge technology with multiple unlocking methods, ensuring a seamless and secure experience for users. The standout feature of this smart deadbolt is its lightning-fast fingerprint recognition capability. With the ability to identify your fingerprint in just 0.5 seconds, it significantly outpaces the time it takes to search for traditional keys, offering an ultra-quick and hassle-free way to unlock your door. In as little as 1 second, you can gain access to your premises, saving valuable time and eliminating the frustration associated with misplaced keys. What sets the Manet Smart Deadbolt apart is its versatility in unlocking options. It boasts a comprehensive 7-in-1 smart door lock system, which offers users multiple ways to access their property. These methods include